tracked down someone used to work with and everything to what happened.
Okay. What's this? Let me video.
Yeah?
Whoa! Don't think you're going to send that to me.
What is it?
God, I'm going to pretend I didn't see that.
What, Nick?
You just sent me a text tape.